Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix WhatsApp SMS verification failed. To know how to fix or how to solve WhatsApp SMS verification failed, you should just go to settings like this. We will click. After that, in this page, you will go to apps here, default apps, app settings. When you will see this list, you will go down to find the application of WhatsApp. Here you will enter. After that, in this page, you will click for stop. When you will end this, you will enter to storage. After that, in this page, you will click clear cache, and then you will go to clear data. And after all that, you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.